In today's video, we will explore a Active Directory chain or a Active Directory set, just like the one on the OSCP exam, comprised of several machines all in one big Active Directory domain. And this chain is completely free, so you can literally just go and grab it. And in this video, I will be demonstrating the full attack chain for this Active Directory chain or Active Directory set, and I hope you will learn a ton, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. So there's no form of social engineering with an LNK file to steal a hash or maybe relay a hash or intercept a hash with responder or anything like that, because we don't have write access. And the naming scheme also does not imply any form of like public or shared type of thing. So we definitely just want to enumerate these shares and see if there's anything interesting here. So we can see inside the IT support, there is a backup schedule.txt file, a firewall policy.txt, and an onboarding checklist.txt. Inside of the internal apps, here, there's deploy partial one and a readme.txt. So this is definitely, interesting, right? Let's go into internal first. Let's see, readme, this here, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this is like potential username, but we can't even reach the DC so far, so I would say this is not interesting, right? Because it's the main user. We could technically try see if the CSR exists with the credential of we have for this user, right? See for password every use. But I would think that's pretty unlikely, but it doesn't hurt to check rents. They might as well do that. So that used to like so, and then change for IT support to see if this combination exists, because then it doesn't, right? So that makes sense. But let's continue. So we are in the internal apps, and we check readme, nothing interesting there. Let's check the other file, deploy. And this is a lot more interesting because we get some actual credentials as well. But yeah, so now we have another set of credentials, which is always great to see. So let me add that. Let's end. This kind of Arabic creds that we have. And then enter 3 like so. Alright, so they have some creds right here. And as per usual, I like making a password list as well. There we go. Let me show him, and then let's make sure that we here that we Control S, and then we can keep that or close that. I'll just keep it. Okay, so I now have some credentials to check, so that is great. But before we do that, let's just continue to go through the shares, because I found that if you bounce around with too many different tasks, it can be easy to forget to check. So let's just be thorough, right? And I would also highly suggest that as you're doing this and you want to be a bit more thorough, you could go through the 80 machines. You could take in 80 machine like so. And then you could copy node to subnode. And then you can do paste node and subnode like so. And then you could just call this one Ada chain 7, something like that. And then you can just add here, like what you find, right? We might as well do that in really basics now. So initial creds, gives no shell, found S&P shares, going through. It doesn't have to be pretty, it can be really ugly, but as long as you just have some information to make sure that you don't lose track of things. So let's continue to go through. And then before again, just like saying like, found further cred, check against all services. Like so, just so we don't forget, right? And you can also add some like color coding to it, etc. if you want. Like things you want to check, you could do like so or whatever. Doesn't really matter, just whatever works for you. So let's see. So we found some interesting credentials and we have noted that. In the notes or the credential sets, which is very important. Might as well add it here as well, if we're going to use this as some basic notes. So okay, so we have checked one share right here, but we still have item support, right? So we don't want to forget about that. Take a look here, and we have several files. So let's just go left to right, because that would be probably be simplest. So let's see. Full backup via service backup, retired, blah, 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 blah. Typically, this isn't like too interesting. Like, let's use credentials or some like hint that it could. Yeah, like this is pretty useless. Like mostly just look for credentials in this type of files. Because we don't really care too much about the storyline. We just want actual access and credentials. Take a look here. This also just doesn't matter because we can just see what we can reach with Nmap. It says all outbound is allowed, which could be true, could not be true. Once again, we don't typically care too much about the storyline. And then let's see. Onboarding checklist, new employee onboarding checklist. Create AD account, set temp password, welcome plus current year. Add to appropriate groups, configure, blah, blah, blah. Now, either this is completely useless or this could potentially be interesting. So I'll just do like this. And then once again, we can color code it if we want. Like, and then you can hit F7 as well to do the previous thing. So you could do like this if you want to, just to like note out the thing that you find to be the most interesting, right? And then let's say we've done checking these credentials, so we don't want this to be interesting anymore. We could simply just hit there, remove it, and then now we only have this ping thing if you want to like check it, right? It doesn't really matter how you do it, just whatever works for you. So let's see, we checked the onboarding checklist. So this was the last one in the shares. Yes, it was. Okay. So we've checked it. And if you find this video useful, then you're absolutely gonna love this. We have a massive, free-to-try, 25-hour plus OSCP course that you can see that people are just absolutely loving. That inside gives you all of the resources that you need to crush the OSCP. We have a massive roadmap that literally covers everything. We cover initial access, privilege escalation, Windows and Linux. We cover Active Directory. We cover post-exploitation. We cover lateral movement. We cover pivoting, tunneling. We cover the exam. We cover the reporting. We cover all of the attacks that you need and all of the techniques that you need for OSCP. We also cover all the rooms that you need to do and all of the rooms just linked inside. We cover Active Directory chains as well. And we literally cover everything. And you will instantly get all of these resources once you join. So click the link down below, try it completely for free. I'll see you inside.